Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. How you doing, man? Jacob, nice to meet you. Mike. Well, this looks good. Yeah. So your name and everything in here. Go ahead, man.
So I got 6 VXF 15s. They're only currently on a 5K.
Okay.
So we're way underpowered. I got my lithium bank coming in this week, so once I get that done, I'll put everything on a JP83.
Nice. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice work, man.
Did everything myself.
Okay. Did you build the box all the way to the back? So you have everything right here?
Yep.
Okay. That's kind of smart then, I guess. You have more seat room and then you also can adjust. Looks good, man.
Yep.
So what's the amplifier?
This is a SoundQ U Series 5K.
Okay.
And then this is the SoundQ 1000 for mids and highs on this side. And then
Okay.
it's scarred 1600
Okay.
on that side.
Got it. Nice. So just the U5000 on these?
That's
okay.
it.
At one of them? Or 6 of them, so 1.2? 0.5? Okay. Got it. What made you mount the subwoofers kind of angle chamfered instead of flat on the baffle?
Because of how I wanted the box design, and then of course I had to angle the baffle just enough to make them all fit perfectly on that same.
Got it. That makes sense. Oh, because if you did, okay, got it. Very nice, man. Looks good. And this is a 4th order.
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Bet you it's really good music. Have you done any kind of SPL tests on it?
Not really.
No?
I did it while I was on a SKV2 2500,
Uh-huh.
and I hit a 153.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So.
And since then, with the 5K versus the 25, did you see a big difference, improvement without? Okay. Nice.
It's got a very wide range. I can go all the way up to 60 hertz, and I can play down to 15. I haven't really played anything lower than 15.
Yeah.
Because obviously I don't have enough power to play that low. So.
Yeah. Awesome. And my last question is cubic size of your sealed section imported and your ratio, if you know that.
I don't know right off the top of my head, no.
It's all right. It looks like it's probably around a 3-to-1 or so, a bigger ratio.
I want to say
Yeah.
so, yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. And then do you know your tuning on the port?
30.
30. All right. Nice. You did a good job, man. I'd love to hear it. And is it better with this one down, the windows down?
We can do window down first.
Okay. Nice. And these are just AGMs under here?
Just Roll King AGMs.
All right, with that high output alternator under the hood. Looks really good. And I'm sure at nighttime, I don't know if you run the LEDs at night, but it looks good. I'm sure it looks, you can see inside.
It looks real good at night.
Yeah, nice work.
Truck that I'm outside too,
Yep.
so.
Are you happy with it?
Oh yeah, very happy.
Any plans in the next couple months or year for this build at all? Anything, or you like it where it is?
I mean, obviously, besides putting everything on more power, and
Yeah.
other than that, not really.
Do you know what kind of power you're putting out of that amp to the subs now? Not sure.
I haven't clamped it or nothing. I've had it in there just barely over a week.
Okay. Good bandwidth too, you're right. I like it, dude. Nice work. Pretty impressive. I'm sure people would think coming in here not knowing you're gonna have a small 5K amp doing the output. You're doing a nice job. I appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
Looks really good. Okay. Sweet, man. Well, nice to meet you. Have a good day, man. Your name again?
Mike.
Mike. Nice to meet you, Mike.